We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you to smash that like button. Tell me when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So we have a lot of data to break down and the shorts are not gonna like it, guys. So you're definitely gonna want to stick around for all the information I'm about to share. We're going to talk about PROG, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with PROG. So the home run of the day missed it by just a few percentage points, and we're going to look at that together. But today's opportunities were phenomenal, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, but the one that nearly reached a home run opportunity missed it by just a few percentage points, and that was BFRI. We caught this one as it was pulling back. It was under a bear indicator, went into extreme weakness in the pre-market. It started pulling back up towards the bell. It got that bull indicator confirmation, 42 vision 2.0 and 42 vision showing strength, and gave a highest point of 18% plus, almost reaching 20% on the day, guys. And this happened in a matter of just 20 minutes. So if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with PROG, and the stock has exploded off of the support levels that I talked about that were so important, guys, at the 230s, and also staying away from 214. And all the way down below was $2, right? I rounded down to $2 being a significant number to keep in mind. Now, this had been in a downward trend. It's had its spikes and pullbacks, but it's been struggling to go in a consistent upward direction. And as I'm doing this video, this is looking pretty explosive. And I'm going to share with you guys why, because the shorts are not going to like it. And we're going to break this all down here in this video with Ultimate 42 Vision, 42 Vision 2.0 and 42 Vision, and these are indicators you can gain access to. The link is down below in the description to 42 Vision indicators, and by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities no matter what volatility and what's going on in the charts, through the clarity and confidence that it brings, guys. So check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator. So here we are with 42 Vision 2.0 shifting. This is super important. I talked about this in yesterday's video that as things were curvaturing and it was looking weak on the 30-minute, we wanted to see this reverse back up. We got that bull indicator. We have that full transition of strength here on the 30-minute. And if I pull up the 4-hour, you could see it pulling up with it. And we have had, okay, this is how you know how strong Ultimate 42 Vision is, 42 Vision and 42 Vision 2.0 is, because all the way back here when it started pushing up, it has remained with a bull indicator and it has not shifted into a bear indicator. I stated in yesterday's video that if this continued, let's remove 42 Vision, to show strength here, even though it's going downwards slightly, and it kind of curvatures and brings itself back up, we were eventually going to see some type of shift from red to green, and that's what we're looking for here on the 4-hour with 42 Vision 2.0, and we want to see this hold up this bull indicator, okay? No bear indicators popped up. This bull indicator is holding up, and we're going to see in the next few days if this starts to curvature and 42 Vision 2.0 starts shifting into strength, and this bull indicator does hold up to stay true. It breaks through the highs here of $3 and breaks out to newer highs and new resistance levels, because even through this pullback and slight subtle downward effect, we did not get near the support levels that were important to not touch. We stayed away from them. There has been strength all throughout, and this is where things are starting to pick up. And if no bear indicators popped up, this bull indicator has been correct since way back here. Why? Because specific levels were met. Same thing that happened here with this bear indicator. When it went down, came back up, and it stayed true all the way until this point here and this shift that happened. So we have not seen a bear indicator pop up. So far, no bear indicator has canceled out this bull indicator. If not, this bull indicator has stayed strong, and we're going to see if things start to reverse with true strength here with 42 vision and 2.0. 2.0 definitely needs to shift from red to green, and we also need to see more shorts get trapped for this to play into effect and break through $3 to reach newer highs. I mean, this is pretty phenomenal. Now, if we go to the 1 day though, things have been pretty bearish, okay? And I've stated how we got in the bigger picture here the bear indicator, that shift from green to red, and we need to see this curvature back up with it. But right now, we can only pull up the 30-minute and the 4-hour together, and if the 4-hour holds up and has real strength, eventually the 1 day could possibly come up with those as well. So yes, we are under a bear indicator on the 1 day, but the 4-hour seems to be shifting, holding true that bull indicator, and also the 30-minute through the volatility is trying to push itself up to newer highs. So let's look at the data together here on what the short interest is showing. So the short interest is super important, and also the fact that we've seen them cover and uncover from their positions, because the short shares availability has gone all the way to 0. It went up to 100,000, 300,000, and now we're at 500,000 here with 550,000 last update 9 minutes ago. So this is super important because the flexibility they had is actually getting tighter, guys. So now you could see that covering happened today, but guess what? They can't re-short it. They only can cover and hold up because the days to cover has caught up to them. And if this continues to grow and put more pressure on them, and also the bulls push this back up even higher, and volume continues to rise up, it is going to trap more shorts, because there's a lot of shorts that started shorting here again, shorting here again, shorting here again. And guess what? As we break through these levels and create staircase effects to the upside and start trapping those shorts, it's going to accelerate this even quicker to newer highs and new resistance levels beyond what we've seen. But it needs to stay in this trajectory. So like I stated, this days to cover was super low. It is nearly almost double now from what it was before at 0.4 and 0.5. It's at 1.16, and this days to cover puts pressure on the shorts, and the short interest went from 18 down to 16, back up to 17, and also short share volume has been slowly going down and up, down and up, and we're going to see this number actually hopefully start to go down tomorrow and the next few days. And also the short share borrow fee rate was pretty low, giving them that flexibility again, just like they were doing here with the short shares availability each day and the days to cover. Things are getting tighter and tougher to short this stock, making those shorts to get trapped and not be able to re-short. If not, they have to cover and stay covered. If not, they will get caught up in the mess, and the higher this goes, the more shorts will be forced to cover and create the further catalyst to the upside. So this days to cover is phenomenal. This short interest is pretty high, and also the data is showing it that covering is happening, and within the charts you could see that they're not even having the flexibility they had before to re-short it. And we'll really see this going into tomorrow if this does play into effect, and if the bulls start gaining leverage here, and if shorts are actually getting trapped. We'll know tomorrow. We'll see it together, and we'll see also what's going on with the borrow fee rate and so forth. As always, guys, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and if you want to receive clarity like no other, the one you deserve, to maximize on opportunities and navigate through the volatility of the markets with clarity and confidence, check out the 42 Vision indicator link down below in the description. And by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities with the clarity and confidence one deserves through the volatility of the markets with 42 Vision. And every single member using it is loving it and maximizing on all opportunities no matter what's going on within the charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.